Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the seller of a particular product in order to ask for further details in the form of a video or voice call on the Alibaba application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option. Here you should type in the name of the product that you are looking for, or select one from this home page. Tap on it and then click on Chat Now down below. Here you have three options. You can either enter your message into the chat box down below, or tap on this phone icon at the top of the screen and select from two options. You can also leave a video message or a voice message, as you can see. But if you go to another product, you will be able to see that usually you can call the seller. As you can see, there are two options, video call and voice call. So tap on the relevant one. As you can see, the seller says, please feel free to call me if I can help you with anything. And you can see the current time. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.